March every year since 1993 focuses on the importance of fresh water. The idea for International Day goes back to 1992 during the United Nations Conference on Environment and Development. Water Day celebrates water and raises awareness about the 2.2 billion people living without access to clean drinking water. It is about taking action to tackle the global water crisis. A core focus on Water World Day is to support the achievement of Sustainable Development Goal 6, water and sanitation for all by 2030.
Clean fresh water is a very limited resource. With the severe droughts happening all over the world, the supply of fresh water has become a very precious resource for all of us. As we know, every human being requires fresh water to survive. While almost 70% of the world is covered with water, there is only 1% of fresh water, due to which the whole world is suffering with the shortage of fresh water. Conserving of water involves refraining of water pollution. This must also include some strategies such as reducing water wastage, preventing the damaging of supply of water, and also water management. Conserving of water means using of our water supply wisely and being responsible. We all think that water is infinite, but however, it is opposite to that. So, we should conserve water in order to conserve life.
Today, I will talk about water crisis in India. India is ranked 54% of India's total area is under extreme water stress. Almost 600 million are at extreme risk of facing surface water supply disruptions. In particular, Northwest India is under extreme water stress. For example, states like Punjab and Haryana. According to reports submitted by Niti Aayog, 21 cities in India, including Bengaluru, Delhi, Chennai and Hyderabad, will face day zero situation. And not to be surprised, Chennai has become the first Indian city to be gone dry. Excess groundwater pumping is the sole reason for water crisis in India. More than 50% of the population does not have access to safe drinking water. Due to that, 2 lakh people die every year. India is suffering from one of the world's most worst water crises.
Now let's learn about rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting
is the collection and storage of rainwater from a roof-like structure into the tanks and wells for long-term storage or even groundwater recharge. It is one of the simplest and oldest methods for self-supply of water. Its uses include watering gardens, irrigation, and even for domestic use. Rainwater harvesting helps the utilities reduce peak demands during summer months. In urban areas, rainwater harvesting reduces the impact on flooding, and the rain saucer, an accessory used in rainwater harvesting, looks like an inverted umbrella which collects the rain straight from the sky. The advantages of rainwater harvesting are: provides water when there is a regional water crisis, it provides water supply when there is a drought, it helps in mitigation of floods of low-lying areas, and it also helps to reduce the demand for wells, which helps the groundwater level to be sustained.
Saving water at home. First and foremost, make sure that you stop the flow of water while not in use when brushing, shaving or washing face, etc. Is close taps properly after use and fix tap. Next is take short shower. Next is fix pipe breaks, tank leaks as earliest as possible. Try using water as much as possible. Next is take manual baths instead of showers if possible. Next is try using water for washing damp clothes and utensils. Lastly, keep track of your water consumption by installing a water meter and then use the water limitedly.
In our world, I am so glad that you have been able to learn a little bit about how can we be a helping hand in the conservation of water in our world. Taking care of a planet is a big responsibility. If we only scratch the surface of conservation of water, but if we all work together, we can bring about change not only in water, but in land, energy, waste and others. If people all work together with full strength, then they can make impossible possible. Efforts today will improve the lives of future generations. So let us come together to conserve water.